Hi there, my name is Nabanita and this is my first video on YouTube. I'm not fluent in English, but I am learning step by step. I believe learning English is a journey, not a race. I come from a simple background and English was never easy for me. For a long time, I was afraid of speaking because I thought people would judge my mistakes. I am learning English, but I am not confident yet. When people speak English around me, I listen carefully. I understand many words, but when I try to speak, my voice becomes weak. My mind knows the sentence, but my mouth cannot say it properly. As you can see, I don't have aesthetic background. I also don't have tripod or mic. It's just me and my mobile. Now I am recording videos to improve my speaking, my confidence and my communication skills. I know I will make mistakes, but mistakes are part of learning. Every day I will speak a little more and learn something new. In this channel, I will upload my thoughts, my English speaking practices, and many more. If you are also learning English, please remember you are not alone. We are learning together. Let's grow slowly but confidently. Bye.